Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to register the Fidelity mobile app. Open the Fidelity app, tap Sign Up, and enter your email, phone number, and preferred password. Next, provide your personal details, including the last four of your SSN and date of birth. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify identity with a photo ID or security questions. I'll guide you through troubleshooting common issues and tips to finish smoothly and securely. To create your account, start by selecting Sign Up and choosing whether you need brokerage, retirement, or general access. Type your legal name, contact email, and preferred password, then confirm the email link to validate your address. Enter the last four of your SSN and birth date for identity matching. Choose security options like a PIN or fingerprint and enable push notifications if you want quick alerts from Fidelity on transactions and balances. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab the Kindle Paperwhite to read account statements, investment guides, or just relax during screen breaks. It's light, readable, and great for travel. I've added the link and current deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Verification helps protect your account, so complete it carefully when prompted. You may be asked for a photo of your ID or to confirm the last four of your SSN and recent account activity. Enable multi-factor authentication using SMS codes or an authenticator app for stronger protection. Review app permissions and security settings and log out of public devices. I'll also show how to recover access if you lose your phone or forget credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.